Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is keeping up warm. I hope everyone is keeping warm indeed, as it is turned cold again. We are still on top of Uthando Nesthembu and Ingane Zesthembu. Oh God, oh Betunana, I love this era that Sneh is in. Usne is showing so much love and affectionate towards everyone, like everyone. It's from Umpilo, from the baby Mseleku to her siblings, Abo Mpumelelo, Abo Lwandle, Abo Abongwe. She is posting them left, right, and center, and it is beautiful to watch. It is beautiful to watch. I do not wanna lie. It's like she has finally find peace, or she has find love, love that comes within, that you just blossom out there. You just show everyone your love that is within, inside and outside. Like, you can see she's glowing. She is glowing from outside. Like, she's posting pictures, posing with the Abolwandle. She is posting Omawake, Omacele. She is posting Oma Kumalo, telling them how much she appreciates them. She is like, she's putting it out there. She is bringing all the positive energy, and those positive energy, they are working for her best. They are working within her best interest, because you can see, oh girl, she is glowing. You can see it from her eyes. She is much happier. She is much happier. Like, she is so happy within, and she is showing it outside. You can see right now that she has decided to fill in her cup, so that she can pour out nothing but the best for the rest of her family, from her mom, her dad, baby Sneh, who so recently she posted a cute picture of her and the little sister, saying that, oh Betunana, my little sister, it looks so beautiful. And yes, as always, you can see Abo and Lwandle always playing around nje, but the rest nje, it all goes to Usne. We appreciate her and we thank her. Like, she has finally found herself. It feels like that happy 3-year-old Sneh came out this year. Like, she's not saying much. She is just blossoming and flourishing. It is beautiful to see such energies coming from Usne. She posted recently a picture saying face card. Like, she even posted herself saying, Bana, face card never declines with Tonana. Face card never declines with Usne. The happiness, the positivity that she's putting out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.